Oh! Wow! 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 Oh my God! That's a giant fish. Oh! Wow! Oh my God! That's more than one. Oh, be careful. Yeah, help him, help him. Oh. This is so insane, guys. Wow, a lot of giant fish. It's super strong. Wow, like how many? A three? I can't believe that we caught a lot of giant fish like this. There's three of them. They are monster dragonfish. Wow. Still have two more. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, they're super strong. It's really hard to catch them when they're under the water. But we still have one. You see, it's really beautiful fish. It has the orange color and green. Wow.